Hey, what's up, YouTubers? You're here with Flex from Flexsocietee. Today I'm going to be showing you a short video. It's usually less than 5 minutes on how to separate colors in an image. This is usually used for screen printing and making stickers. First, we're going to start off by duplicating our image, because we don't want to mess up the original image. So we right-click, duplicate layer, background copy. That's the one that we're going to be working on. We hide the original image. We're working on the background copy. Next, we're going to go with Magic Eraser tool. Love this tool. It saves me a lot of time. We're going to clear up the background. We erase the background because we don't need the background. We're working on just the two colors, which is going to be black and gold. Next, we're going to go with the Magic Wand tool. We're going to start off with the black because that's going to be your first layer. Clicked on the black. Now we're going to right click and hit similar. It's going to highlight all the black on the image. Right click again, and it's going to be, then you go to layer via copy. Click on that, and now you have your black layer. We go back to the background copy, make sure that's highlighted, and we're going to follow the same steps to do the gold. It looks like the gold is all highlighted, but just to make sure, we go right click, similar, right click, layer via copy. Now you have your black and your gold. So there goes your two layers. You want to go to File, Save As, then you put whatever name you want to name it, save it in whatever format you want. I usually use PNG or JPEG because that's what my cutter uses to recognize the files to cut. And you do the same thing with the black. File, Save As, name it whatever you want, and then PNG or whatever format you usually save it as, and you're good to go. There goes your two different colors. Hopefully this helped you guys out. Don't forget to subscribe and like my page and turn on your notifications for the next video. Thanks a lot.